Alright, let's get straight to it. If you're new to SEO in 2025, I'm about to save you a ton of headaches. Whether you're working on YouTube, social media, your blog, these are the best step-by-step SEO tips you need right now. First up, let's talk about keywords because honestly, they're still the backbone of SEO. But here's the twist for 2025. You've got to think like your audience and like the latest AI search engines. Start by searching your main topic on Google, YouTube, TikTok. Notice the autocomplete suggestions? Those are gold mines for what people actually type in. Take those phrases, plug them into free tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, and build a list that's specific but not too competitive. Now let's move to titles and descriptions. I can't stress this enough. Titles are your first impression. Don't just stuff keywords in there. Instead, make your titles clear and clickable. For example, instead of SEO Tips 2025, try Best SEO Tips for Beginners in 2025. Rank fast on Google and YouTube. It's specific, it's timely, and it promises value. For descriptions, here's the trick. Write like you're answering a question. Summarize your video, blog, post with those key phrases near the top, then add a natural human touch. On YouTube, throw in a few hashtags at the bottom and timestamps if it's a long video. For social media, keep it snappy, but always add keywords in your first sentence. Next, let's talk about optimization on different platforms. On YouTube, thumbnails matter almost as much as titles. Use big text, bright colors, and a clear image of your face if you can. It builds trust. For blogs, make sure your main keyword shows up in the first 100 words, and use headers to break up your content. And on social media, hashtags are your friend. Don't overdo it. 3 to 5 relevant hashtags are plenty. One more big tip for 2025. Update your content regularly. Search engines love fresh info, so even just tweaking your titles, adding new stats, or updating images can give you a boost. Alright, quick recap. Find winning keywords by thinking like your audience. Write clear, clickable titles and natural, keyword-rich descriptions. Optimize for each platform, YouTube, social media, and blog, and always keep your content fresh. SEO in 2025 is all about being helpful, authentic, and up-to-date. Stay curious and don't be afraid to experiment. Subscribe for more tips, and let me know your biggest SEO question in the comments.